You found the sailing boat.
Look.
Only on the paper.
Dolphins. Dolphins.
Amy, what's wrong with this dolphin? What's wrong with that dolphin?
Little bit sad and lost bunny rabbit.
He lost his bunny rabbit. Is he a little bit sad?
Yeah.
Amy, show me your sad.
That one happy. That one happy.
Show me your sad face. Where's your sad face?
That one looks a little bit sad.
And
that one happy. That one happy.
and how do you look when you're sad? And how do you look when you're happy? Show me your sad face again. Let me see. Oh, that's very sad. Have you got the hiccups?
No.